If you've ever walked through the tunnels under the train station at the Magic Kingdom, taken a deep breath and thought to yourself, man, it just feels so good to be home, you are definitely not alone. Our family has been making that exact same walk for over 20 years, and that feeling never fades. But what if I told you that unmistakable warmth, that instant wave of childhood wonder, and that comfort of coming home isn't just a happy accident? It is a psychological masterpiece, engineered with absolute flawless precision by Walt Disney and his Imagineers. Today, we are looking at the hidden science behind the magic. We're breaking down the hidden psychological triggers, the architectural tricks, and the sensory illusions Disney uses to deliberately blur the line between memory and make-believe the second you step onto Main Street, USA. To understand how Disney tricks your brain into feeling safe and sound, you have to look at the layout like a filmmaker. Walt Disney didn't design the entrance of the Magic Kingdom to feel like an amusement park. He designed it to function exactly like a turn-of-the-century movie theater. Think about it. The ticketing area outside is the lobby. The train station acts as the grand opening curtain, completely blocking your view of the park so the outside world disappears. The attraction posters underneath the tunnels are the coming attractions previews. And right as you walk through, Disney literally rolls out the red carpet for your family. Those vibrant red sidewalks aren't just a design choice. Walt worked directly with Eastman Kodak to find a specific shade of red that would absorb reflection so you wouldn't squint, while making the green landscaping and the blue sky pop perfectly in your family photos. Once you step onto the street, Disney immediately targets your subconscious to make you feel incredibly secure. The very first buildings you see in Town Square are civic symbols of law and order, City Hall in the firehouse. Urban psychologists call this the architecture of reassurance. Before you ever see a roller coaster, your brain registers safety, community, and comfort. Then come the sensory triggers. You know that heavenly smell of fresh popcorn and sweet vanilla baking in the air? That isn't just the local shops doing business. Disney utilizes specialized scent vent machines, historically called Smellitizers, to actively pump those specific aromas directly onto the pavement. Scent is the strongest human trigger for memory and emotion, instantly transporting your subconscious back to Grandma's kitchen or the carefree days of your own childhood. But the biggest trick Disney plays on us is with scale and distance, using a technique called forced perspective. As you look down Main Street, the ground floor of the shops is built to full scale, but the second floors are built at roughly 5/8 scale, and the third floors shrink even smaller. Because our minds expect buildings to be uniform, this optical illusion tricks your brain into thinking the shops are grander and taller than they actually are, while simultaneously making Cinderella Castle look towering and monumental in the distance. Even the shop windows on the first floor were intentionally designed lower to the ground so that toddlers and kids could look straight inside without having to crane their necks. And here is a hidden detail that blew my mind when I first learned it. The street itself is built on a very subtle, gradual upward incline toward the castle. As you walk in, full of excitement, you are minorly working against gravity, which subconsciously heightens the anticipation and frames the castle beautifully. But at the end of a long park day, when your legs are exhausted and the kids are spent, that slight downward slope carries you effortlessly back to the exit. Forced perspective even works in reverse. The buildings are angled slightly closer together at the entrance end, making the walkout feel shorter and more manageable when you're tired. Even the lighting tells a story of progress. The street lamps at the entrance of Town Square are old-fashioned gas lamps, but as you journey up toward the castle and step into the future, they transition into modern electric lights. Every single detail, from the changing background music loops to the fake flags lining the roofs that double as hidden lightning rods, is working together to insulate your family from the real world. So the next time you feel that overwhelming sense of nostalgia and peace walking down Main Street, know that it's not an accident. It is the result of decades of brilliant engineering designed to let you forget about real world stress and just focus on the people you love. We actually put together a full visual walkthrough showing these exact architectural design secrets and psychological triggers in action during our last trip. What do y'all think? Does knowing the science behind the magic change how you look at Main Street? Or does it make you appreciate the details even more? Drop a comment down below and let us know your thoughts. We read every single one. If you love honest park reviews, hidden history, and practical planning tips, hit that subscribe button to join our community. Until next time, plan carefully, look for the hidden value, and always remember the best souvenir you'll ever bring home is a memory. We'll see you on the next adventure